Hi friends, welcome back to the HBNet Agency YouTube channel. And friends, I know that all of you must be excited because of today's Canva session. Friends, today I'm going to reveal one of the Canva hack which is absolutely my favorite and which is going to take your designs to the next level and will help them to appear like a professional one. Because it seems like something which would have been pretty difficult to do with high-end graphic designing softwares, but with Canva you are going to do it very easily. So friends, let's check it out. Now friends, as you can see that we are inside the Canva dashboard and I have selected a square size post that is 1080 into 1080 pixel. Friends, today we are going to create layering and masking effect. So creating a masking effect in your designs will create an amazing layered effect and make your designs look much and much professional. So let's see how we can do it. First of all, I need to click on this elements. Here we can select a picture like this and we just need to flip it in a horizontal way and make sure that we are covering the entire post with this picture. So let's make sure of it, and you can see that this beautiful lady is lying on a beautiful background and we are going to make it little bit bigger. So let's do it, and here you can put it little bit right side also. Now I will make it little bit bigger once more in this way, and you can put a little bit right side. Now friends, I just need to duplicate it. You can click on this duplicate option and here we are duplicating it. Now what I will do, my dear friends, I will just remove the background of the top picture. This also you can do it with the help of magic grab option, but for this I use the background remover. To make it clear, I'll just go to the position and you can see that one picture is without background and another one is with background. Now friends, you must be wondering like how why I created these two pictures and what is the necessary of it, and that too the picture is looking similar and one above the other and it is placed in the correct position. So my goal is to create a texture effect on this background. So for that, I will close this option and I need to click on this text option. So let's click on add a text box and here you can write anything like Happy December. Now I'll just color it. I'll just change the color. You can select any font of your own wish and I'll just make it this one. So let's pull it a little bit up and here I'm going to duplicate it, and in this way you just need to go to the position option and you are going to group it. Now friends, you can once again duplicate the whole version and you can put it in this way. Now I'll say that again you duplicate all the three and just group it and then duplicate it. Make sure that everything is appearing in the proper sizing. Now friends, you can duplicate it once more, and once more. If you want, you can duplicate it once more also. So let's do select all the options and I'll just group it once again. You can pull it a little bit up like this to make sure that it is coming and looking pretty. And friends, I will just drag this all the groupings below the background remove photograph. And friends, if I close it, I will show you that how is it appearing. Let's move this and I will go to the position option. Here, if you move this lady, you can see that the text are again on the lady who is having the background. So the text is covering the entire lady, but the lady who has been removed the background is above it. So in this way we can create a amazing layer effect, and it also makes your design to look much and much professional. So you can see how is it appearing, and it is just the case of removing the background, which you can also do with the help of magic graph option. It creates a amazing effect which will take time with the other high-end graphic designing softwares also. So let's come down and I will show you some other example like this which I created for you guys only. So you can see that how is it appearing like happy December, and also it is coming pretty cool and looking little bit awesome, right? Now I will show you that this design is about a close-up lady who has been I have taken, and you can see the text is again in the back, and there is again one picture with background and another picture where I have removed the background. If I again remove this, if I again remove this lady, you can see that the text is appearing on the picture which is having the background. So let's put it here again, and as there is a closer photo, I will just make sure that the text is also appearing little bit bigger. For that, I will just put it like this, and you can see that it's appearing. Also, this background is little bit textured, so it will look pretty cool. Now friends, this poster I also created with the help of layered and masking effect only. For this, I have created a square, and this square actually I have reduced the transparency. I've selected a black color. You can also put the slider of the transparency and it will reduce the transparency of your color. And now you can put the letters like this, and you can put the offer options in this way, and you can go for it. Now if I drag this lady, you can see that this square is again above the background picture, and this picture actually I have removed the background in this way, and I can place it directly above it. So I created, because this session is going to come in our HBNet agency YouTube channel. So you can also create this type of amazing layered effect and just remove the background so that it also matches with the other background itself. You can create like this. So friends, I hope that you really enjoyed this tutorial of layering and masking effect of Canva. You can also try out this design at your home and you can create amazing posters, and we are ready to see all of the posters which you have created. You can send it to us also. Friends, you can share this video with your friends and family members, and don't forget to subscribe to our HBNet Agency YouTube channel. Thank you, bye, and see you tomorrow.